Innovative technology in modern construction, a transformation that's been quietly building and is now impossible to ignore. For centuries, construction relied on methods that barely changed, techniques passed down through generations, reliable, yes, but slow, labor-intensive, and often inefficient. And then the world shifted. Work sites changed, expectations rose, and the industry faced growing pressure to build faster, safer, and smarter. Everything accelerated during the COVID-19 pandemic. Social distancing disrupted project sites worldwide. Engineers, architects, and project managers suddenly needed new ways to collaborate, plan, and keep construction in progress. Technology stopped being a luxury. It became the only path forward. Drones became the industry's new eyes in the sky. They mapped entire sites in minutes, tracked daily progress, and exposed risks before they became costly problems. What once required teams of surveyors and hours of work could now be done with a single flight. Artificial intelligence quietly reshaped decision-making. AI analyzed schedules, predicted delays, tested design scenarios, and helped contractors control cost overruns. The future stopped being guesswork, it became data-driven. Precision robotics stepped into dangerous and repetitive tasks. From bricklaying robots to automated rebar tiers, machines reduced workplace risks and delivered millimeter accuracy that humans alone struggled to achieve consistently. Augmented reality and virtual reality unlocked a new dimension of planning. Entire buildings could be explored before a single brick was laid. Teams could stand inside digital spaces, spotting clashes, correcting mistakes, and aligning every detail long before construction started. AR and VR saved projects from the costliest errors, the ones discovered too late. 3D printing pushed creativity beyond traditional boundaries. Walls, housing units, and intricate structural shapes could be printed layer by layer. Designs that once required months now took days. Entire communities, especially in developing regions, gained new possibilities in affordable, rapid construction. Building information modeling became the backbone of modern project coordination. BIM brought architects, engineers, and contractors into one digital environment. Every beam, slab, pipe, and cable came together in a single model, eliminating the clashes and miscommunications that used to burn through budgets. Modular construction challenged the very idea of a traditional building site. Components were built off-site in controlled conditions, then assembled like high-precision building blocks. Projects finished faster, waste decreased, and quality increased not by chance, but by design. Innovative materials reshaped what structures can withstand. Self-healing concrete repaired its own cracks. High-performance composites replaced traditional steel. Sustainable alternatives reduced carbon footprints without sacrificing strength. Materials stopped being passive elements and became active contributors to durability and resilience. Across the world, the construction market reflected this shift. Countries like China, the United States, and India are driving trillions in growth through modern construction technologies. Software tools now manage scheduling, planning, estimating, and facility operations from a single integrated platform. Digital transformation is no longer an option, it's the rule. This is the era of intelligent construction, an era where efficiency is expected, where precision is demanded, where innovation defines success. And as infrastructure needs rise across Africa, Asia, and the rest of the developing world, these technologies will determine who leads the next decade of global construction. Modern construction isn't just about building faster, it's about building better, smarter, more sustainably, and with far fewer errors. If this story inspires you, make sure to like and follow Construction Frontier for more powerful insights shaping the future of construction. And to dive deeper, click the link in the caption to read the full article on constructionfrontier.com.